Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding a Roth IRA, which offers incredible tax-free growth for your retirement savings. Then, consider Vanguard, a top choice, because they're famous for their super low-cost investment options. Putting them together means you can build a solid retirement nest egg, keeping more of your hard-earned money working for you over the long haul. It's a smart way to invest for your future. Not everyone can contribute to a Roth IRA. You'll need earned income, and your modified adjusted gross income needs to be below specific thresholds. For the year 2024, most people can contribute up to $7,000. If you're age 50 or older, you get an extra $1,000, allowing you to save even more towards your retirement goals each year. To open your Vanguard Roth IRA, head over to Vanguard's official website and simply select the option to open a new account. You'll need some basic personal details, like your social security number and bank account information, to get everything set up. Just follow their straightforward instructions, then link your bank for your initial deposit, and you're ready to start your investment journey. Once your account is funded, the next step is choosing your investments within Vanguard. Many investors opt for Vanguard's renowned low-cost index funds, or ETFs. A popular choice for simplicity is a target date fund, which automatically adjusts its asset allocation as you get closer to retirement. Or, you could pick a broad market fund, like a total stock market index fund, to gain wide diversification across many companies, helping you invest broadly. The biggest advantage of a Roth IRA is undeniably the tax-free growth, meaning all your earnings can be withdrawn without paying any taxes in retirement. Plus, you can actually withdraw your contributions at any time without penalties, which offers some financial flexibility if needed. To maximize your savings, set up automatic contributions, and remember to periodically review your portfolio, ensuring it aligns with your long-term financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.